Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on THEVAX.
Again, I'd like to be very scientific about this. Let's look at the evidence. Worldwide, they look at people, gilantaw nila ang tao worldwide kung sino ang most likely nga maging morbid or will most likely nga maging severe sa COVID kag makatay. And what the evidence tells us right now is yes. So sino ni sila? They are those that are older. They are those nga ang BMI is more than 25, a little overweight. And the farther the BMI, if you're obese, the greater is the chance nga maging morbid ang course mo. The presence of more comorbid illness is also a risk factor for a more severe or even death in COVID. And this includes metabolic diseases, hypertension, diabetes, asthma, pulmonary disease, cardiac disease. So meaning, sila-sini ang miyembro sang population naton nya kung ma-infect sang COVID will most likely have a stormy course, mas delikado. And unfortunately, if you look at in the hospitals, kung sino hindi makasurvive sang COVID, they are them, older, obese, with comorbids. Kagang isa diri ka misconception nga makita ko sa mga pasyente ko is, Dok, hindi lang ko yan magpabakuna because nakaagi ko stroke. Dok, hindi lang ko yan magpabakuna because may high blood ko. Dok, hindi ko magpabakuna because may diabetes ako. Dok, hindi ko magpabakuna because may thyroid problem ako. Ang ginahambal ko sa ila is, it is precisely because may sakit ka na kilanglan mo magpabakuna. Baliskad, hindi ka magpabakuna kay may sakit ka. Mapabakuna ka kay may sakit ka. Kag kung magka-COVID ikaw ang mas severe. So I think people needs to understand that, no? Na it's the other way around.